We talk about how can you fix this problem on your funny prank sounds app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here, click on it. So when you click on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you go down, so you keep going down, then you click here on apps. Then you come to apps list here, and here you're looking for funny prank sounds app, or just click here on search. Then here add funny prank sounds, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here, click on for stop. Then you click on OK. Then you go down here, just click on storage, come to storage list here. So you just click on clear cache, that's all you have to do. So you just restart your phone and start it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.